Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make a power supply using a step down transformer. This is for the input and here is for the output. So we are using this step down transformer guys to make our power supply, whereby this is 220 volt input and it will give us 12 volt output AC. Then we are using a bridge rectifier. As you can see, this is for the input and here is for the output. We are using bridge rectifier that can power these bulbs, and also this blower, 12 volt blower. So we are going to make it now guys. So let's go guys.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
So guys, this is the negative from the rectifier, and this is the positive from the rectifier, and we are going to connect it to the positive of the capacitor as well. So this is the AC output, and it was connected to the yellow wire. The both yellow wire here is for the AC. So this is for the DC output. This is the positive and here is the negative. I've connected it to the negative of the capacitor, so I will connect this one to the capacitor now.
Pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe yeah.
Then we have our alligator wire. As you can see, I'll put it to the positive, the red wire to the positive, and the black wire to this blue wire of the alligator wire. So let me connect it guys. So guys, this is the positive wire connected to the, as you can see, this is the positive and here is the negative guys. So guys, as you can see, We have already connected our AC input. As you can see, this is for the AC and this is the DC output, and I've used the tape to tape it down here, and this is the positive. It was connected to the positive of the capacitor and the output negative. As you can see, connected to the negative of the capacitor also, and this is the output wire and the second output wire, which is the positive, and here is our transformer, as you can see, guys. So we are going to test it now, guys, and see how this thing is working. We are using this 12-volt bulb, as you can see, 65 watts. So we are going to test it, and also we are going to test it with a blower. Let me bring it, guys. This is a 12-volt blower. As you can see, here is the positive and here is the negative. Let's test it, guys. So guys, as you can see, I've plugged the adapter to the AC adapter and I've off it, so I will on it now. As you can see, this is the blower, 12 volts. I've put the positive wire here and this is the negative wire. Then I will on it here. As you can see, see, guys, the blower is working. So guys, let's test it with this box and see how the thing is working, guys. As you can see, guys, please subscribe to my channel. So guys, I want us to test it with this 24-volt brushless cooling fan. So let's test it, guys. the positive. Let me on it, guys. And here is the negative, the black wire. As you can see, it is working massively.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the